ya jasho letu na haki ya jasho letu. Tumekataa kupiga magu.
Honorable Martha Karua and Aaron Dubi will address you on that issue when the time comes. So I'm not going to speak about what is important. So what I also want to do is thank Kenyans for paying my bill. The solidarity was amazing. Through the pay bill, the national coalition that was given. Within a few hours, we were able to raise that money. A few other organizations supported Kenya Human Rights Commission. Thank you for your support. National Coalition for Human Rights Defenders. Wanjeri played a very big role, mobilizing all of you. And Aluta continua. The struggle continues. I'd like to thank you for the solidarity. Your highlighting of my case, I'm sure, has played a big role in the court of public opinion in terms of getting Kenyans to align with the civil society. I'd like to thank all my comrades in the various provisions that have just been mentioned, including the Kenya movement, but also add a movement I'm part of called Kongamano la Mageuzi,